If your phone keeps dinging every few seconds and it's honestly driving you a bit crazy, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to turn off notification sounds on Android. I'll explain it slowly with clear pauses so you can follow along easily. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, this method turns off notification sounds for all apps. Go ahead and open Settings on your Android phone. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on Sound and Vibration. Once you're here, look for Notification Sound. All right, now just tap on it and select Silent. That's it. At this point, your phone will still receive notifications, but there will be no sound at all. Now, if you want something faster, this one's super easy. Press either the volume up or volume down button on your phone. You'll see a small volume panel pop up. Now, tap on the three dots or the expand icon. Here, you'll see multiple sliders. Just lower the notification slider all the way down. And yeah, this instantly mutes notification sounds without touching any settings menu. All right, maybe you only want to mute one app, like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Gmail. So open Settings again. Now go to Notifications, and then tap on App Notifications. Find the app you want to silence, tap on it. Next, open Notification Categories or Notification Types. Now tap on the Active Notification option and set the sound to silent. Boom. That app will still send notifications, but without any sound at all. Okay, this one's perfect if you want temporary silence. Go to Settings, Notifications, Do Not Disturb. Turn it on. Now you can customize it. Allow calls from specific people, alarms, or important apps if you want. Everything else stays silent, which is great for studying, sleeping, or recording videos. All right, if you're using a Samsung phone, there's one extra option. Go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, scroll down and tap on Mute All Sounds. Turn that on, and every system sound, notification sound, and alert will be muted completely. So yeah, those are all the best ways to turn off notification sounds on Android, whether you want full silence or just quiet from one annoying app. If this helped you out, drop a comment below and tell me which phone you're using. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple Android tips, and yeah, tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.